Hi, I'm Don Singletary, and welcome to the channel where we teach beginners how to day trade the Micro Eminis for income. Today I'm going to get right into a trade that uses the NASDAQ100 Micro Emini, and sometimes when you trade, you actually get lucky. Yes, you get a gift, and this is one of those trades where that happened to me, and I wanted to bring it out and show it to you. I came into the office and brought the Tastyworks screen up around, well, a little bit after 2 o'clock. This is a Thursday, August 19th, 2021. What I saw that since noon or 12:30, the market's been drifting down, and now the time is about 2:30. It's going to be 2:28 actually when I begin this trade. But I see that the red and green lines, green line being below the red line, and they cross over and go below that zero line. Now, that's no guarantee you're going to win a trade, but when you see that happen, it's much less likely that the market's going to do a reversal up right when it crosses that zero line. That means you get an opportunity, a timing that is a less risky time to trade this than it might be if you did not have this indicator. So I see a sell signal right here, and I enter the trade, and I want to show you what happens almost immediately. As I said before, sometimes you get a gift, and I really wasn't ready for this trade to go so well, so much, so fast in my favor. Caught me a little by surprise, and we'll watch it and see what happens. It was 2:28 in the afternoon when I sold one contract at 14,903 and a quarter. And I was down $7, and then 5 seconds later, I was up $11. It happened so quickly. The market's already trading down at 14,889 about now. I'm $20 up before I can even right-click and bring up the bracket order here so I can put in my stop loss and target prices, and the trade's barely underway. Look at the red bar over on the right side of the screen. This thing is dropping like a lead balloon. In less than 30 seconds, I'm already up $49, and I look at my bracket order on the left half of the screen there, and I put in 14,900, so it's already a free trade. I'm short at 14,903, and I rethink that because I need to lock in some of this profit because it could disappear as quickly as it appeared. So I put a stop initially at 14,890 right there, which locks me in, worst case scenario, a profit of about $26.50. And the market's still going down very rapidly here. And of course, my challenge now is to get that stop down there so I don't give this money back. It was so fast, it's like a gift. So I moved from my stop from 14,890 down to 14,875. I'm trading 14,863, and I head back up. So I move the stop down very quickly and get out of the trade at 14,867 and a quarter. Let's do the numbers. Well, since the program actually rounds off to the nearest minute, I'm not sure what the exact duration was on this trade. I say under 3 minutes. I think it was just closer to maybe 2.5 minutes or something. So anyway, I figured out at $72 in, we'll call it 3 minutes. That's a rate of $1,440 an hour. And I'm trying to explain here why I get out of this trade so quickly. I have traded lots for 30 years, and there's nothing more deflating than to have a profit of $72 in 2.5 minutes, and 5 seconds later have it be back down to half that. And so I just made a decision to go ahead and take the money. And I knew I wasn't going to have a bad day or a bad trade by doing that. What I said a moment ago, that things can reverse on you in a hurry, wasn't just lip service. I mean, well, watch what happened here. I got out of a trade. Follow me now at 2:31, give or take 30 seconds, because it rounds to the nearest minute. 6 minutes later, here's the chart, and the Micro Emini of the NASDAQ is back up to 14,901. Remember, had I held the trade another 6 minutes, I would have made $4. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, it went all the way back up in just 6 or 7 minutes, and I would have given all the profits back. You never know. the market can take it away almost as fast or just as fast or even faster than it gives it to you. So it's a calculated guess. It's a bit of a gamble. You have to make a decision to do this. But there wasn't anything on this particular day. Look at the MACD down there in the bottom pane. The green and the red lines are getting a little closer together, and it's not that far below the zero line. So it wasn't a trend so strong that it was going to last the rest of the afternoon. And that's just an educated guess, and I don't mean to sound like I knew that was going to happen, because I certainly did not, and neither will you. That's a part of trading. It makes it exhilarating sometimes, and it also makes it frustrating sometimes. So I just made a decision. I make $72 in 2.5 minutes. Hey, it ain't a bad day. I took out my calculator. Look at this. You see that? That's how many Chick-fil-A sandwiches I could have bought with the proceeds from today's trade. I joke all the time that my book, which the book sales support the channel here, and the free videos I put up, almost 100 of them now. I want to remind you to subscribe to the channel. And the book only cost, a couple of sandwiches or a medium pizza. And I would hope you make your money back pretty quickly with an investment like that. No guarantees, of course, because everybody is different. But please consider subscribing to the channel. And don't forget to hit the like button if you want to see more videos like the one you've seen today. I'd appreciate that. And you can check out the table of contents at the book link in the text below this video. It'll take you to the Amazon page where you can click Look Inside and see the table of contents. I think you'll like what you find, and I really believe it's a faster, easier way to learn how to trade when you get all the terms and the basic things down in one short book. It's only 110 pages, but it's chock full of good information, especially on trading psychology. Thank you. It was a great trade today. A lot of fun, actually. Hit the subscribe button so you can be notified and be with us next time. I'm Don Singletary. I hope every day is a payday for you.